Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia Monique. Go ahead and press the subscribe button if you are new, reoccurring, press the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed. Anyways, this video is in collaboration with Second Touchdown Edge Tamer. You guys, this product is so amazing. We are gonna start off with my baby girl Jade. I am, taming her frizzes, of course, around her edges and her baby hair. Now before we start, let's get into the benefit and what gracious things this thing is packed with. Camellia oil, green tea seed oil, argan oil, tea tree oil, y'all, shea butter, y'all already know, black castor oil. Every one of those things that I listed is super beneficial for your skin, for your hair, for your nails, for growth, for overall growth, and it's just amazing. Now this product is definitely not like those average oily edge controls, which is super great. I love the fact that it's not like that and it does not slip. It is definitely a no budge situation. As you guys can see, no budge. You put that sucker down, a couple seconds later, it's like no budge, but you still have time to groom and maintain it. I really love this. So shea butter. Y'all know the benefits of shea butter, right? Shea butter is very moisturizing for your hair, your scalp, coarse hair, coarse textured hairs, silky textured hair. Doesn't matter what grade of hair you have, this edge tamer will be beneficial for you, in all honesty. My grade of hair is not like my baby girl's. Her hair is curly, more thinner, and more manageable when it comes to laying down, the surface of the baby hairs and things like that. But I will be using this more on my baby girl. I love it. It is rich in moisture. Of course, it's antibacterial, and it's for silkier and stronger hair. It'll give you silkier and stronger hair, you guys. Another great thing about this product is non-flaking. You know how you have some of the gels, some of the edge control that'll leave your hair white around the edges? We don't like that. So that's another thing. Like I said, it is not as greasy as your average edge control. It has that perfect amount of sheen, and it does stay flat. I love this stuff. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of different ways that you can use this edge control. You can use it on your baby hairs. You can use it to put your hair up in a cute little bun like I did for my baby girl. Baby hairs are essential, a staple in the hair community and things like that. My husband uses it for his waves, which he really likes, in my opinion. I think he likes it. I've caught him using it a couple times, other than the pomade that he uses, because it adds a great texture of shine to your hair. Now let's talk about the all day hold. For my baby girl's hair, it holds her edges down literally till the next morning. Seriously, to the next morning. It's not budging. I am in love with this product myself for my baby girl's hair. I'm speaking for her, and she also likes this product. I know that this is the edge control that we all need. So definitely go to your local beauty supply store, Second Touchdown Edge Tamer. You guys, these are 80 grams in every container, which is 2.82 ounces. So you get a lot of product, okay? I'm not sure if you like to use a lot of product when you're doing your baby hairs or anything like that, but you definitely get enough product in these containers, you guys. So shop at your local beauty supply store or go and shop online. Isn't my baby so cute? She's so beautiful. I love her.
As for me, I use the Shea Butter Moisturizer and Edge Tamer for my wavy hair pattern. I figured I'd give it a shot because Shea Butter just has great properties for moisturization and skin health. I had literally just started brushing my waves, and within like 3 hours they were already coming in. The product isn't greasy or heavy pomade-ish. It's just, I don't know, like it went through clean, so, and it smelled great too, so that's always reinforcing. As far as the overall day hold, it held all day long. I didn't have any problems out of it. It looked like I had just put something in my hair all day. I needed a haircut, but when you're trying to get waves, you don't you brush them in first, then cut, then brush. It's a process. I feel like this process and using this product will help me get what I want. So overall, it gets a thumbs up for me. I'm happy. Touchdown.
Okay, now for my grade of hair, we're moving on. So I have braids underneath because I have been wearing wigs and my braids are a little my braids are out of commission. They need a little touch up, but I just wanted to show you guys how good this stuff really does work for baby hairs and of different textures of hair. So the texture of my hair, you know, it's not crazy, but it is manageable. Definitely will lay flat. I mean, as you can see, it's a little bit rough because I do have it under a wig cap. So yeah, you ladies know when you wear a wig cap, your hair can get a little, you know, the new growth and everything like that. So this is not on washed hair. This hair has not been washed. This hair, as you can see, is a little bit rough. So, you know, y'all get a little insight on how it lays down on semi-rough hair. So it lays down pretty well. I like to put a great amount. I don't like to put a little pea-sized amount. I'm gonna put a lot. If I want my hairs to stay down, they're gonna stay down and they ain't gonna budge. So I like to put a good amount, as you guys can see. Super manageable, but when it's down, honey, it's down and it's amazing. So you guys definitely are getting great feedback here from me. I haven't had any problems with it. Like I said, it's not greasy, it's not slippery, adds the perfect amount of sheen to your hair, you guys. Everything will be listed down below. All the links, everything you want to know about this product will be listed down below, because inquiring minds will want to know, where can I get this stuff? Well, you guys, like I said, it will all be listed down below. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope I gave you guys enough insight on this amazing product. So if you do like this, give it a big thumbs up. I, for one, will always keep using this for many occasions. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys on the next one. And before you go, do not forget to subscribe. XO.
My heart is begging me